87 degrees inside your car. April heat wave just hit. You crank the AC and it blows hotter than your heater. You didn't use it all winter. Now it's dead. Dealership wants $800. The shop down the street wants $200 just to diagnose it. But there's a 70% chance you can fix this for under $50 in your driveway with zero tools. I'm going to show you the 3 specific things that break during winter, how to diagnose which one you have in 60 seconds, and the exact part to buy on Amazon. If you ignore this, you'll be driving with windows down until October. Here's what happened during those 5 months of winter. Your AC system didn't just rest, it deteriorated. Refrigerant is a lubricant and a coolant. When the system sits idle, refrigerant migrates away from the compressor seals. Those seals dry out. Microscopic cracks form. Then April hits. You hit that AC button. The compressor engages dry, metal on metal, for 3 seconds. It either seizes permanently or it pumps just enough to leak what little refrigerant you had left. Second culprit, your blend door actuator, plastic gears that control hot-cold air mix. They sat in one position all winter. The plastic got brittle. First time you switched to cold in April, grind, strip. Now it's stuck on heat. Third, your condenser, that radiator-looking thing in front of your actual radiator. It spent winter getting pelted with road salt. Now it's corroded, clogged, or the cooling fans are seized from ice exposure. Most shops won't tell you this. They see low refrigerant and immediately want to replace your compressor for $200. But if the compressor still turns, you don't need a new one. You need refrigerant and a seal conditioner. Total cost, $47. Before you spend $1, diagnose which of the 3 problems you actually have. 60 seconds, 3 checks. Pop the hood. Find the compressor. Usually, bottom passenger side has 2 metal lines going into it. The center hub should spin when the AC is on, stop when it's off. If it's spinning, your compressor is alive. You just need refrigerant. That's the $38 canister fix. If it's not spinning, listen. Do you hear a click from the engine bay when you hit the AC button? That's the clutch engaging then disengaging immediately. Means there's almost zero refrigerant left. The low-pressure safety switch is protecting the compressor. Again, refrigerant fix, not mechanical. If you hear nothing, no click, no hub movement, your compressor is locked up. That's the only scenario where you need professional help. Everything else? Fixable for $50. Turn your car on, AC to max cold. Now listen behind your glove box. Hear this? That's the blend door actuator trying to move but stripped. If you hear rapid clicking, cold air is physically blocked by a plastic door stuck in the heat position. Check 3. The condenser fan. With the car running and AC on, look through the front grille. Both fans should be spinning. If one is dead, heat can't escape. Fan replacement motor is $35, but first, check the fuse. Fuse costs 50 cents. 70% of you have low refrigerant. Here's why the $38 kit works when the $800 quote doesn't. Buy the kit with the gauge included, not the cheap $12 refill-only cans. You need to see the pressure. Step 1. Find the low pressure port. It has an L on the cap, usually near the firewall, thick metal line. Step 2. Connect the hose. It only fits one way. Idiot-proof. Step 3. Read the gauge. If it shows below 25 psi, you're low. If it's between 10 and 25 psi, you're golden. Fill it to 35 psi. Don't overfill. High pressure also kills compressors. Critical step everyone misses. Add the seal conditioner. It swells those dry O-rings we talked about. Without it, you'll be doing this again in August. Run the AC for 10 minutes. Check the vent temp with a thermometer. You want 42 to 48 degrees. If you hit that, you just saved $762. If you heard that clicking earlier, you have the blend door problem. The part looks like this. Black plastic box, 3 screws, 1 wiring clip. Buy the specific part for your make and model. Install time, 6 minutes. No tools except a Phillips head. No more hot air mixing with cold. Pure Arctic blast. If your refrigerant was full but no fan spinning, check the fuse box first. Fuse 23 in most cars controls the cooling fan. Swap it with the horn fuse. Same amperage. If the fan works now, buy a fuse pack for $4. If the fuse is good but fan is dead, the motor burned out. Rock Auto or Amazon, $28 to $40. 3 bolts, 1 electrical connector. Pull it up through the top, not the bottom. Fans spin, heat dissipates, compressor stays on, cabin freezes. Here's when you actually need that expensive repair. If the compressor clutch hub won't turn by hand when the car is off, it's internally locked. That's $800 to $1,200. Or if you see black glitter in the refrigerant you released, metal shavings, game over. Professional rebuild only. To prevent this next winter, run your AC for 5 minutes every week during cold months. Yes, even in January, it keeps seals lubricated and keeps refrigerant moving. Change your cabin air filter in March. Pollen and winter debris clog the system, making the compressor work harder. 45 degrees. That's factory spec. You did that with basic observation and a trip to the parts store. 70% recharge, 20% actuator, 9% fan, 1% compressor. Drop your car model in the comments. Subscribe before your check engine light comes on, because that's next week's video. Stay cold out there.